All right, so this does come with a specific type of USB cord, which is one of those original ones that you used to have in the old Samsungs. These have a little contact, you got to get them in there. And this is for like that first generation ring. So let's go ahead and get this undone. All right, so now we got to plug this in. All right, so if you look, you can see how this goes. You got to get the bevel side down. This is old style, right? So you got to get it in there. And then we're just going to plug that over here. Plug it in my block, just like that. And you can see it's showing that it needs to be charged. So we'll just let that charge, and then we're going to put that in our ring downstairs. And you guys will be able to see that. But that's how you charge it. We've come back, and as you can see, green, green. We are ready to go. We can put this in our Ring doorbell. And we can just unplug it. Also, if you notice here, look, green, 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 green. So yeah, let's do it. Let's undo this. Pop one of these out. Because we don't need both of them, right? We can only put one in. So yeah, there we go. All right, so this baby's ready to go inside of our ring. Let's go do it. All right, so it is raining out. This is a first generation Ring doorbell. And the way you get this case off of it is you got to put one finger up here, one on top, one here, and just pull it. And bam, Bob's your uncle, done. Set that over there. Now to get this out, you notice it just says push. We push and then we kind of pull it and it pops out. That's it. Okay, now we can put our new one in. Here it is. Flip it around, and this is our replacement one, right? We just push it up. Bam, done. And then we got to get our oh, see that? It's working. Now we got to get our cover. Slide it on. Bam, Bob's your uncle. We are ready to rock. And that's it right there.